Nothing beats this anabolic classic. Chicken and rice, my favorite meal to grow on. But first, let's get red chilies straight from my mom's garden. For the marinade, take 250 grams of chicken thighs, half teaspoon of chili and garlic powder, cumin, salt to the taste and some black pepper. Then add 15 grams of tomato puree or paste. Mix it all well. Now straight onto a hot cast iron pan. Brush 5 ml of olive oil and place your chicken. Cook 1 minute on each side for that smoky char. Then add splash of water, cover and let it steam for 3 minutes on low flame. Once done, lift the lid. That aroma hits you instantly. Now let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. Meanwhile, let's cook our rice. Drop soaked rice in boiling water with a pinch of turmeric. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Our chicken is rested. It's time to slice it. Look how tender it is. Now serve it up. Rice at the base, chicken on top. Top it off with fresh red chilies we picked. And there it is. Most anabolic rice and chicken.